All right, it's been a while, I'm gonna admit, but I've had a lot of things going on and I'm happy to bring another video to you guys. So thank you for tuning in to another video. I had an incident with my bike, so I thought I would make a video about fixing my Sram Axs GX derailleur. Okay, that was a mouthful and I haven't said those words in a very long time, so yeah, pardon me. My bike fell over and I bent my derailleur hanger and I was like, ooh, I think this is bent. And I went to go shift the gears and I was like, okay, it's shifting very sloppily, and the chain fell in between the cassette and the rim. And what happened was it kicked back my derailleur and it bent this cage. So what I'm doing today is I'm replacing the, I think it's called the cage. I'm replacing the cage on my derailleur. Yeah, inner cage. By the way, I took everything off my bike. Granted, this is including the derailleur. This has to weigh over 2 kilos, at least 2 kilos. I don't have a scale at home, but it's just incredible how much I've been carrying on this bike. And you can see the stress from the plastic, how heavy that is. Okay, I actually gotta get my work mat so I don't make a mess on the kitchen table and make a mess over here instead. Okay, got the mat. Alright, so this is the Eagle Axis E-top. What's the actual product name? Let's see. It shows here on this site. GX Eagle Axis rear derailleur. Here's my GX Eagle Axis rear derailleur with the inner cage, old inner cage off. Might be hard to see, but it's slightly bent up this way. This one is, yep, straight, which is good. So, old one, new one. Gonna turn this thing around and throw the bolts on here. Look, I had a really bad chain rub right here, as you can see. It's not good. All right, I'm gonna bolt this on. I've not actually replaced the inner cage before, so I might just take it slowly here. Get a couple of turns. Nothing's cross-threaded. And then I'm gonna throw this other pulley wheel on it as well. Oh, this one's from the other side. This one is from the other side. And why I believe that is because it has a gusset on this side. I could have just looked at the product picture, but I'm trying to use my brain as well. I'm just gonna loosely tighten everything. And before I actually tighten everything, is facing the other way. See, this is why I double checked. This is why I double checked everything. Got the pulley wheel on the wrong way. Give it an extra tighten. You know, nothing too tight. You don't want to over crank it and break any threads, but you just want it snug. And I'm just gonna check this action to make sure it can keep its strength. Everything seems to check out. This is like the clutch system that Sram has. Then release, and good. Okay, that looks good. What I'm doing is I'm putting the B-limit screw into the end of the derailleur because like I just showed you, this one got all messed up in my ride. So I have to screw this in and then attach this to my bike and then put my chain on, and crossing my fingers everything goes well. From my time working in a bike shop, I learned do not rush these technical things because you don't want to do them over again, especially if you have to order parts. It's not fun. You won't be able to see this on the GoPro, but there is a mark from where my B-limit screw was pressing against this metal piece here. So I'm just putting it to where that metal mark is, and I'll start from there and see if it's anywhere close as I adjust my derailleur. All right, so I already have my new derailleur, my new derailleur hanger on there. Let's see if this one is alive. I saw a green light, so it looks like, all right. All right, we're all the way in. All right, let me just show you this rain real quick. I don't want you guys to see where exactly I live, but look how crazy that is. It's blowing into, whoa, do you see that? I'm like half expecting the lights to go out. Back to scheduled programming. Getting my chain that I've had for a year and a half now, since there was a shortage of everything during COVID. I'm so excited right now. Oh, my bike deserves this. My bike really does deserve this. Okay. This way. I'm doing this on the floor. So I just finished measuring my chain. My hands are a little bit dirty from my old greasy chain, but I wrapped the train. I did two things. I measured it against my old chain, and then I measured it against wrapping it around the biggest cog and my chain ring. All right. Undo the clutch. Hopefully this is snug. Yes, nice. It's looking good. I can put this tool in like this and lock it, which actually that's what I'm going to do. See how this goes. I mean, it's chaining and it's going. There is some clicking, so I'm gonna have to do some B tension adjustment. I'm gonna check the B tension really quick and go from there. All right, I'm moving into the bike shop, as I call it. Actually, this might be a good angle. The bike is just hanging on a shower bar right now. All right, there's my B tension, B limit screw, and you can see that this B limit tool is not in line with that red or with that silver bolt. So I need to get the pointer here to align with that silver bolt. So I'm just going to turn my B limit screw here until this pointer aligns with that silver bolt. Just letting you know what I'm doing, so when you're watching from afar, you at least have an idea. Okay, I'm almost there. I'll show you where I'm at right now. You can see the pointer is almost at the center of that bolt there. Just gonna do this like another, not even a quarter turn. Okay, maybe more than a quarter turn, half a turn. It's probably so loud. Okay, I am going to check my limits now. This is actually the bike shop, by the way, because it's also my wash bay for my bike. All right, let's see what this is looking like. Actually, that's not bad. It's so hard to tell with that background. All right, so it looks like everything is lining up. Everything's shifting decent, actually. It is jumping a little bit while going down into the smaller gears, but the chain is tight, not too tight, and the limits seem to be set well. I am just going to take it to my local bike shop tomorrow just to have him go through everything if he has the time, as far as the shifting goes, and then I'll go from there.